1-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give him a try. Call My Injury Guy.
Hey guys, My Injury Guy, Scott DeSalvo, Chicago injury lawyer, shooting another video for you today. And today's topic is, what are the things that are easy for you to do that increase the value of any injury case? Okay? So the first thing, and many of you probably know this, a lot of these are not going to be surprises for you, but the first thing I would say is get medical treatment promptly after an accident. Why do I say that? Well, in front of a jury, studies have shown, and reality has shown, that when a person who's been injured or has an injury claim delays getting medical care, the judge and jury become skeptical about that case and they give less money. Well, you may say, Scott, wait, that's crazy. Doesn't everybody delay going to the doctor? Nobody likes going to the doctor. Well, that's exactly the argument that I make in these kinds of cases. And, sometimes it works, sometimes it's less effective depending on the certain facts of the case, right? But getting prompt medical care is important for your case, but it's also important for your health. There's no medical condition or injury that benefits from a delay in diagnosis and treatment. In other words, the faster you know what's wrong and the faster you start fixing it, the quicker you get better. And, we only get so many rotations on this blue-green ball called planet Earth. So why would you want to be hurt any longer than you need to be, right? But it also helps your case. It's very sort of a rudimentary analysis. If they were hurt, why didn't they go to the doctor right away? Why didn't they follow up right away? This sort of thing, but it does really matter in injury cases. Number 2, treat with a doctor who has some experience and is willing to be involved in your case, okay? So if you know, what a lot of people don't know is your doctor could be the nicest guy or gal in the world to you, but what you probably don't know is that as soon as there is an injury case or claim involved, they become suspicious of you. They don't want to talk to your lawyer. They don't want to send your lawyer the medical bills and records. They don't want to give a deposition. They don't want to write a report to explain some aspect of your injury, and they definitely don't want to come to court. And what doctors do then is they will write, I don't know whether they do this purposely or whether they do it subconsciously because their treatment of you suddenly becomes distasteful to them, like they don't want to be involved. They will write dumb things in your medical records, or they'll write things in the medical records where instead of saying patient's injuries began with lifting a box at work and straining his back. That's something that we see in the records, and it helps us establish with the defendant and their insurance company that the back injury is related to a work incident, right? It could be as simple as the doctor putting in the records, patient claims hurt back at work. That makes it seem suspicious, right? Or even worse, they'll write in the records, back pain began 30 days ago, no reason given. Well, now, if we call the doctor as a witness in the case, the defense attorney is going to ask him, why did you say no reason written, doctor? Does that mean that this person came into your office, complained of back pain, and never mentioned having been hurt in, an accident? That really hurts, right? Because we have to prove your injury is related to your car accident, your work accident, your fall down, dog bite, bar fight, whatever it is. We have to prove that it's related. And if it's not related, we're going no place, right?
Hey, you got hurt in an accident?
Yeah.
You got an injury guy?
No.
Then you gotta call my injury guy.
If you got hurt in any kind of accident or injury, call My Injury Guy. You can call anytime, day or night, for a free consultation. 312-500-4500.
I call my injury guy, and I'm glad I did. You should call my injury guy too.
Call my injury guy. 312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give him a try. Call my injury guy.
So what else? What else? Oh, the last one I was going to mention, and I know that this is self-serving, okay? You have to have a good lawyer on your case to maximize the value of your case. I was also going to mention the importance of attending all your medical appointments and not skipping them or not quitting treatment too early and letting, 2 months go by and then going back to the doctor and saying it's been hurting all this time. Like, clean medical is really important. I guess that's number 3. Number 4 is hiring a good personal injury lawyer who's been around the block, who's good at what he or she does, and will talk to you and actually works on the case. So it's a trend in injury law right now that every person who gets out of law school, especially people who come from wealthy families or have a trust fund, they just begin massively advertising. And then they never actually work on the case. They don't know what's going on with the case. They're basically an advertising agency that signs up cases and sends them out to other lawyers to work on. It's certainly not how I do it. If I always encourage people, have a relationship with an attorney who will call you back, who, if you call the office, you get an answer. Because otherwise, you're going to be working with an attorney on a case who you never talk to, who you're talking to the assistants, which, don't get me wrong, my clients talk to my assistants primarily because of how busy I am. But I'm the captain of the ship, and I'm steering the ship, and I'm making the decisions on all the settlements, and I'm calling the insurance companies, and I'm, getting I'm actually working on the cases, and I'm on top of the cases. I worked late last night to review files. A lot of these guys you see on TV or the internet never even touch the case. They wouldn't know you from Adam, whereas I may recognize your name. So anyway, hire a good lawyer, okay? So those are the big 4. There are others, but the advantage of hiring a good lawyer is a good injury lawyer is going to know all of those details and know all the things that hurt your case or can help your case. And, if they're actually on the case, they're going to steer your case while you're in the treatment phase, while you're getting medical care, to make sure that if you have a question or a problem comes up, the attorney can fix it. It's like a chess game or a basketball game. How far into the game do you want to bring somebody who's really good at the game to help you win? Do you want to go almost all the way through the chess game and then ask somebody to come in and help you? At that point, it might be too late. Same as if you had Michael Jordan or LeBron James on your basketball team, you'd want them playing the whole game, right? The first period through the last. You wouldn't want just to bring them in the last 3 minutes of the game. Same with a good injury lawyer. They're going to make sure all your ducks are in a row and the case is handled properly. So, words to the wise, things to think about. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you as a viewer. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Of course, if you have a case or anyone you know needs a lawyer, please give me a call. You can call me anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. Thanks so much for watching. Please stay tuned at the end, where I give you a bunch of free injury resources that are probably really going to help you out, and people really enjoy them. So stay tuned to the very end of this video, okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give them a try. Call my injury guy.
Call my injury guy.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give them a try.